I remember when I first got my GoHighLevel account, that was in 2022. I logged into my account and I was so lost and overwhelmed. It took me about 1 to 2 weeks to get familiar with using GoHighLevel. So if you are on the same boat as I was, or if you're thinking of getting a GoHighLevel account, this video is for you. In this video, we will be going through how to use the GoHighLevel dashboard. Just in general, like what are the common things, because there are way too many things and functions of GoHighLevel. By the end of this video, you'll be familiarized and comfortable with using the GoHighLevel dashboard. So let's get started. So when you first log into your GoHighLevel account, this is what you should see. You should be here at Launchpad. So this Launchpad is just basically some quick things which you can get started with, like downloading the app, connecting Google business profile to your account, connecting Facebook, chat widget, etc. Okay, we're just going to skip this part. So in this next section will be the dashboard. So you'll spend a lot of time here in this dashboard when your GoHighLevel account is already up and you have people coming into your CRM. Okay, this top part right here, opportunity status, as you can see right now, there's no data because this is a brand new account. But opportunity status, which basically will just show you an overview of like how many leads you have, how many are currently in your pipeline, and how many did you win and how many did you lost, right? Same thing with opportunity value, but this is more on show you the monetary value instead of opportunity status. Will be just numbers, how many people, and conversion rate will just show you an overview of what is your closing rate like in percentage. Okay, and the next section here, funnel. This is an example of a strategy call funnel. So people will sign up for your strategy call, and then they will get on the call with you one-on-one. So here it will show you how many people are applicants, and how many actually scheduled a call, how many did not show up, how many of them which showed up that you closed. And they will show you here percentages of the closing rate. So example, if like they did show up for the session, how many of them you actually closed. So that way you can see based on your funnel where it's not working out, so you can make improvements on that stage. Alright, the next place that we're gonna go is conversations. So under conversations, this is where you have your different conversations with your customers, your clients. So it could be using email, it could be using Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok. All the conversations could be inside here, so you don't have to actually go to different platforms and chat with them individually on the platform itself. Okay, so under calendar, so say we set up a funnel where someone can make a booking to have a one-on-one call with you. So this section here, calendar, is actually linked to your Google Calendar. So all you need to do every time you log into GoHighLevel is once you get in the dashboard, you just click on calendar. You can see actually here how many people have signed up for your one-on-one call, just for an example. So the next part is contacts. So under contacts, you will be able to see all your different people that you have been in contact with, whether you spoke with them on Facebook, whether you spoke with them on Google Business Profile, or Google Maps, or on Instagram, or also on email or an SMS. They will be populated here. Alright, the next part is opportunities. So opportunities, you will be able to see exactly who are in different stages of your pipeline. So if you have maybe 20 people who applied for your strategy call. Maybe there'll be 20 people here, and out of those applicants, how many of them already schedule a call? So say if there are 10 of them who schedule a call, they will automatically be moved into this pipeline here. And if they did not show up for their strategy session, all you need to do is like just drag them over here. Or if they did show up, you can just drag them here, or if they made a sale, then you can just drag them here. And by dragging their names to different parts of the pipelines, so some things will be automatic, right? So example, when they come in to, they are an applicant, so their names will be here. If they did sign up through your calendar, what GoHighLevel can do is we can set up an automation so that their names will automatically be moved to different pipelines. But some things are manual, so it's like no show. If you get on Zoom and then they don't show up, you need to manually drag their names here. And by dragging their names to different parts of the pipeline, we can set up different automations to run. So example, if they did not show up, what we can do is we can set it up so that we can send them emails to like, hey, you did not show up for your Zoom call with us, and would you like to reschedule, and things like that. The next one is payments. So payments is where you can generate your invoices manually, and where you integrate your Stripe and also PayPal, and you can see all the different invoices and the monetary value right here. Alright, so the next part will be under marketing. So marketing, the first thing that you have here is the social planner. This is where after you have connected your different social media platforms, that you're able to schedule your post. You can get them ready and it will schedule them to be sent out in advance. You also can create email campaigns and email templates here. You can create snippets. So snippets are just like, say you run a gym, and a lot of people will be asking like, hey, what's your opening hours like? So you create a little snippet where you say, hey, our opening hours from blah blah blah. And when you're under conversations, you can go to message templates and just look for opening hours. And if somebody asks you what are your opening hours, you can just select this, and then it will populate with this body here. The next part is trigger links and affiliate manager, and this is something a little bit more advanced, which we'll go through in a future video. The next part is automation. Automation basically is what gels GoHighLevel together. So I would say it is like doing minor programming, so to speak. Basically, you are able to control what happens when something happens. Say somebody signed up for a newsletter, what you want to happen. You also be able to do things which are more advanced, which say like, if somebody signed up for your calendar, sign up to meet with you on your calendar, you're able to send them a email confirmation, say, hey, thanks for signing up, our meeting will be confirmed on this date with this Zoom link. And you can also send them calendar reminders, say maybe 3 days, a day, or a couple hours before. You can send them emails reminding them about their appointment with you. And we will be spending a lot of time here creating a lot of different automations. Okay, the next part is sites. Okay, sites is where you can build different funnels, you can build different websites, you can build blogs, you can connect your WordPress, you can create a client portal. Client portal is basically say you have a membership site selling a course. Client portal is basically something where someone will go to sign in to get to their course. Okay, you can create forms and you can create surveys. Surveys are basically just like forms, but there are multiple pages. You can create a chat widget. So say you have a website and you have a little chat widget at the bottom where you can get people to interact with you. You can do that here. Okay, the next section is memberships. So memberships is where you can create your different courses to sell to your target audience. And the next part is communities. So communities are basically something like a Facebook group. You can create a group where you can have like-minded people come and interact and to share ideas. Alright, so the other section here is reputation. So this is reputation management, where you are able to link either your Google business profile or your Facebook page, and you are able to handle your reputation management for these two pages right here. The next part here will be the reporting section. So the reporting section, you're able to see your Google Ads statistics, your Facebook Ads statistics, and different other statistics such as like your open rates, your closing rates, and all the different type of percentages for your funnels, your websites, and your calls, and your appointments, things like that. Yeah, I think that is all that I will cover in this video. The other things will be a little bit more advanced. So if this video was helpful to you, please leave a like, share, and subscribe to my channel, as I will be putting up more GoHighLevel videos in the future. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.